Hey guys, I just wanted to say that I'm making a static grass applicator right now. I won't be able to test it because I don't have any static grass, but I'm gonna be making the tool for it instead of spending $80 frickin' dollars on one at the store. So what I'm gonna be using is just a single pull, single throw switch. It's just an on-off switch. I mean, you can use any switch you want. Maybe a push button would be better, but I really don't know. And this is a static ion generator. Well, not static ion. It's a negative ion generator, not static. Yeah, negative ion generator. So basically, you have two wires, which are 12 volts. And outputs 20,000 volts. So this will hurt you. There's a pot there to adjust the voltage. So I got this from eBay. I think it was like $8. Yeah. They look. I haven't tested it yet. It looks pretty nice. It actually came. Oh, it came with this little weird thing. It's still wet. I don't know. But yeah, it's still wet. I don't know. But you're gonna need one of these things. The switch. I'm using a container from ice cream. Those are good containers for like little parts and stuff, by the way. And I went to the dollar store and got a strainer. $1. That's crazy. So that's basically the parts you're gonna need. Well, obviously you're gonna need some wire, a 12 volt power supply, which I think I have tons of those. There's Fusion 360 ready to go. So I just finished building the static grass applicator. It went together okay. Here's a switch. I have a wire. There's 12 volts. And here's the container. It's still gluing, so I don't want to touch it. I'll be careful. And here's a screen I put on it. There's the high voltage. I found this case. Actually, instead of modeling it myself, I actually found someone already made an enclosure for this negative ion generator. Someone already modeled it, so I just used that instead. Because why model something when someone else did for you? So yeah, this model also came with the cup, but I didn't print that, because I made my own. It also has a cover, which I don't know where it went. But I kind of made a mistake without testing. I didn't even check if this works, because this was in my junk drawer. Most of my power supplies, they just are the wrong voltage than what it says. So I'm gonna be sad if this does not give me the 12 volts. And I would use at least 1 amp of current for your thingy. I can't speak, as Evan says, words are hard. Okay, and I forgot this piece on the switch, but I don't care, because it's mine. I do what I want. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. I can't even test it until I get everything. I'm scared to plug it in and then I get shocked. I just don't want to die. Oh wait, here's the negative wire. I took an alligator clip and just connect it to the ground of the ion generator. So boom. Pretty simple. Except I'm a beginner at this and building stuff, so who knows. Obviously gonna need an extension cord, but okay. Probably put an outlet under the table in that room. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. If it works, I'll be extra happy. I need to find screws, but if I can't find screws, I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just gonna use one of these things and make it permanent forever, and hopefully it never breaks. So yeah, that's the static ion generator. I'll put a schematic up or in the description, whatever, and I'll have links below of where to buy it. I'll use the where I bought it from. I'll give you those links in the description. Alright, thank you guys. This little kitty never leaves my side. He'll always here. Do you like the collar I got her? Come on, show them your collar. Good girl. So she just sits here and watches me. Yeah, we do everything. Come on, let's go to bed.